Hi students, today we're going to learn how to make a digital graph. But let's review some terms first. This is a data table. What is data? Data are the numbers we collect using observations. In this data table, you see time and temperature. A table organizes the numbers into rows and columns. In a data table, columns go down, as you can see in green, and rows go across, as you can see in red. In this data table, the first column is time measured in seconds, and the second column is temperature measured in degrees Celsius. Let's look at the types of graphs. Here we see three types of graphs. The first one you see is a line graph, which is usually used to track continuous changes over time. The second graph you see is a bar graph, which is used to compare categories or groups. And the third type is a pie graph, usually used to compare parts of a whole. When you create your graph, you have two axes, an x-axis and a y-axis. The x-axis goes from left to right and it can be seen in blue, and the y-axis goes from down to up and can be seen in red. Here we can see that the independent variable will always go on the x-axis and the dependent variable will go on the y-axis. You can see that time is the independent variable and temperature is the dependent variable. Now let's create our graph. Open up Google Sheets and start a new spreadsheet by clicking the plus sign. Step 2. Label column A time and column B temperature and go ahead and enter your data. Step 3. Select your data and insert chart. And that's it. Making a digital graph is easy as 1, 2, 3. Start a spreadsheet, enter data, and insert chart. Good luck!